Okay, so what we've got is the remainder theorem. So if you've got a polynomial fx and you put some number in it, which is a, fa is a remainder when fx is divided by x minus a. Okay, so if you get a number, that means you haven't got 0, then that number is going to be your remainder. Let me show you by example what that means. Say we've got this first, example 3 part 1, x minus 2. So if I work out f of 2, that would be 2 to the power 4 minus 3 times 2 cubed plus 2 squared take away 4. If you work that out, anyone want to work that out? The calculator. So that will give us 16, 8 times 3 is 24, plus the 4, take away the 4, so that gives us a minus 8, and therefore the remainder equals minus 8. Okay. Had I got 0, what would that tell me about x minus 2? Factor. To factor. But we don't get 0. We get minus 8. And so that also means, if I just quickly take you back to the homework, which was here, that also means another way we could have checked if this is a factor is actually just by substituting some of these numbers in and see which ones give us 0 and which ones actually give us a number. So that's the easy way. We've got the remainder theorem. What about the f of 1? Can somebody work that out? What does that give you? F of 1. Work it out. Sorry, f of minus 1. What does the f of minus 1 give you? Nearly. What do you get? What'd you get? Anyone? 1. Okay, f of minus 1 gives us 1. Therefore, the remainder equals 1. Is that okay? Before we move on, any questions? Any questions? Okay. Alright, let's have a go then. Let's have a go at this question here. Alright, let's have a go at this one here. Off you go. Example 4. See if you can have a go at this one here. I'll give you about 2 minutes and then we'll go over it. About a minute. Yeah, see if you can set up some sort of equation and work out what A and B are. Off you go. Guys, Andy. Hands up if you're stuck. Hands up if you need a clue. Okay, alright. So we know that the f of 1, because x minus 1, we're going to divide it, will give us 7. So if we put in 2 times 1 cubed plus a times 1 squared plus b times 1 plus 1 is 7. And we know f of minus 3 equals minus 5. And similarly, if we put 2 times minus 5 all cubed, so let's just put that out like this, all cubed, plus a times minus 5 all squared, plus b times minus 5 plus 1. Okay, that gives me 2 sets of equations which I can play with, set up a simultaneous equation, and then solve it for a. You should get a equals 5 and b equals minus 1. Hands up if you got that? Okay, well done.